Pooja. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Rohit. I'm from Mumbai in the United States. I enjoy coffee, social media, and simple conversations that help people learn English.
Hi guys, I'm Pooja. I'm from Kolkata. I love meeting new people, watching YouTube, and learning about how people build online careers. Today feels like a fun topic.
Yeah, it really does. So, Pooja, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I woke up early today. I checked Instagram while drinking coffee, and I saw a few influencers promoting products.
Oh, really? What kind of products?
Everything. Clothes, skincare, headphones, even healthy snacks.
That sounds like Instagram. Every time I open the app, someone is recommending something.
Exactly. And that actually made me think about today's topic.
Which is?
Instagram and YouTube influencers, and how they promote products and brands.
Oh wow, that's a really interesting topic, and very modern.
Yes, today many people watch influencers before buying something.
That's true. Sometimes I trust a YouTuber more than an advertisement.
Same here. It feels more personal.
Right, because influencers talk like friends. They show their real life.
Exactly. So let's start simple. What is an influencer?
Good question. An influencer is a person who has many followers on social media.
And people listen to their opinions.
Yes, when they recommend a product, their followers might buy it.
That's why companies work with influencers.
It's a type of advertising, but it feels more natural.
Exactly. I remember the first time I noticed influencer marketing.
Oh, really? Tell me.
I was watching a YouTube video about travel. The YouTuber was showing a hotel room.
Okay.
At the beginning of the video, she said, "This video is sponsored by this travel website."
Ah, yes, sponsored videos.
She explained how easy it was to book hotels on that website.
Did it sound like a normal ad?
Not really. It felt like a friend giving advice.
That's the power of influencers.
Exactly. And I actually visited that website later.
See? The promotion worked.
Yes, but it also felt honest.
Honesty is very important. If an influencer recommends something bad, followers will lose trust.
That's true. Trust is everything.
Let me tell you about my experience.
I'm listening.
One day, I saw a YouTuber talking about a microphone.
A microphone?
Yes, he said it was perfect for recording videos.
That sounds useful.
I watched the whole review. He showed the sound quality, he explained the price.
Did you buy it?
Yes, I did.
Wow, influencer marketing works.
It really does, but the video was helpful. It didn't feel like a pushy advertisement.
That's the difference between traditional ads and influencer promotions.
Traditional ads just say, buy this now.
But influencers tell a story.
Yes, they show how they use the product in daily life.
For example, a fitness influencer might show their morning workout.
And then talk about the protein shake they drink.
Exactly.
Or a travel influencer shows a hotel stay.
Or a tech YouTuber reviews a phone.
There are influencers in almost every area now.
Food, fashion, gaming, education, fitness.
Even English learning channels.
Yes, like the kind of content we're talking about right now.
That's true.
But I think the most important thing is authenticity.
Authenticity means being real and honest.
Yes, followers can feel when someone is fake.
Very true. If an influencer promotes too many random products, it feels strange.
Like one day they promote shoes, then shampoo, then a car.
Yeah, exactly.
People start to wonder, do they actually like this product?
That's why good influencers choose brands carefully.
They promote things they really use.
That builds trust over time.
Let's talk about Instagram for a moment.
Sure.
Instagram promotions are usually short.
Like photos, reels, or stories.
Yes, an influencer might post a picture wearing a jacket.
And write, I love this jacket from this brand.
Sometimes there's a special discount code.
Oh yes, use my code for 10% off.
I see that everywhere.
Me too, and sometimes I actually use the code.
Same here.
YouTube promotions are a little different.
Yes, they are usually longer and more detailed.
A YouTuber might spend 2 or 3 minutes talking about a product,
They might show how it works.
or compare it with another product.
That helps viewers make better decisions.
Exactly.
But there is also responsibility.
What do you mean?
Influencers should not promote harmful or dishonest products
That's a very important point.
because many young people watch them.
And followers trust them.
So honesty and responsibility go together.
I completely agree.
Do you think becoming an influencer is easy?
It looks easy from the outside.
But it probably takes a lot of work.
Yes, creating videos, editing, posting regularly,
Talking to followers and comments.
and building trust over time.
It's like building a small business.
That's a good way to describe it.
But it can also be fun,
Definitely. Many influencers enjoy sharing their passions
like cooking, traveling, or teaching,
or talking about technology.
or even daily life.
People love real stories.
Yes, real life connects people,
That's why influencer promotion works best when it feels natural,
not forced,
not fake.
just honest sharing.
Exactly.
Let's imagine someone wants to become an influencer.
Okay.
What advice would you give them?
First, choose a topic you love.
Good advice.
Second, be consistent.
Post regularly.
Third, be honest with your audience.
Don't promote something you don't believe in.
And always respect your followers.
I like that.
Because followers are not just numbers.
They are real people.
Exactly.
So, what's our takeaway today?
I think influencer promotion is powerful.
But it should be honest and responsible.
When influencers share real experiences, people trust them.
And when viewers trust them, the connection becomes strong.
Social media then becomes more than advertising.
It becomes communication, real people sharing real experiences.
That's a nice way to end our conversation.
It really is.
Thanks for talking with me today, Rohit. Thank you, Pooja.
And thanks to everyone listening today.
See you next time for another simple English conversation.
Bye, everyone.